Hey, hi friends, today I will tell you about the new Motorola Android TV, but before I start, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also hit the like button. The new Motorola TV was launched on 16th of September 2019. The Motorola has jumped into a new product line and announced its own TV series for the Indian market, and the new Motorola TV range will be powered by Android TV. The new range comprises of multiple size and resolution options, ranging from 32-inch to 65-inch and HD to 4K resolution. The Motorola TV range will be available to purchase on Flipkart starting on 29th of September during the Big Billion Days sale. Motorola is using unnamed quad-core processor with Mali-470 MP3 GPU, 1GB RAM, 8GB of ROM. The TV runs on Google Android TV OS platform and is currently on Android 9 Pie. Hence, you will also get the features like built-in Chromecast, access to Google Play and more. Motorola is also offering native support from Netflix and Prime Video. Interestingly, the Motorola TV comes with a gamepad, which will allow users to install and play games on TV using Android TV platform and Google Play Store. The new Motorola TVs features a front-firing soundbar speaker setup. With a 30-volt rated sound output, the soundbar is placed right below the TV screen on all the size variants. The Motorola TV comes with connectivity options include 4 HDMI port, a USB port, a TV input port and SPDIF port. The TV also comes with built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. The Motorola TV price in India start at Rs 13,999 for the 32-inch HDR model, while the 43-inch Full HD option will be of 24,999. The 43-inch UltraHD, 50-inch UltraHD and 55-inch UltraHD model cost 29,999, 33,999 and 39,999 respectively. The flagship Motorola TV 65-inch UltraHD variant comes with price of Rs 64,999. So friends, if you like this video then hit the like button and also subscribe my channel.